I was just greeted with this notice from Avast that my license for the free version is about to expire. As you can see here, there are 12 days left until the license expires. Since my intention is to continue with the free version, I will be selecting the free version renewal. This brings up this notice, and of course Avast would love for you to buy one of their paid products. Since my intentions haven't changed and I still intend to stay with the free version, all I'll be doing on this is closing this request to upgrade. Even though the price may be right, I want to stay with free. So I'll close this. Remember, down here it says continue with upgrade. Upgrade means you're going to be paying money. If that's not what you intend to do, then simply close this request for the upgrade. One more request. This one is for a trial of the paid version. Again, not what I want. So therefore, again, just close this box. I've now opened the Avast user interface. I'm going to go to the menu and take a look at my licenses. As you can see, the license has now been renewed for 1 more year, and it doesn't expire until December 9th of 2019. That's all there is. When you get that notice, just follow the same steps and you'll be good to go for another year. Stay safe, be free. I hope that helps.